Oh, my brother, Alpha. Galim, Alpha, bro. Ha, Corona. You don't realize Corona. Corona on kill that's a village again na Omami de no. Corona. I near you, my man. I near you. Forgot I near you. I near you, bro. Yes, the revolution move forward. Nicholas, my bro, thank you. Always there. We. My hits are buying the sound them. For what happened yesterday, people will be there will show yesterday, go get shocking revolution today. My way things say we no go boya. Now we don't be there with that show yesterday. We start that show from the beginning to the end. From the start to the end. I said now arrive for 2 a.m. for morning time. So we will elaborate. Yeah, thank you, bro. Samarita Toure, confirm. Kubri always there. My hits on buying the sound them. For that my brother away, he can't easily with this step. My hits. So sounding. Matanjor, welcome. Matanjor, welcome. Where the kitty sound so una video why are the kitty sound them? But man, you people they shocked me yesterday. People they talk say divided and road divided. Don't fail them. When you come, you share so that we'll get a number. We'll get plenty. We'll talk today. Clear the space. The revolution is on track. Man David, thank you, bro, thank you. Yes, this show will give a call today. People will call me, put the WhatsApp number on the board. Non, madame, au bord, confirm, daddy, confirm, daddy, confirm, daddy. Confirm. I get two people they shock me yesterday. The Manu Angie people. I get lances or Sam Angie people too. Yes. That two people they shock me yesterday. Any people pass example and you give Giza for me chop. Any people pass example and give Giza for me chop. Where can you share? Let's go. Ok, m'a lancé Ngi people. Faut wait les doigts SD. Yes, on doit join Ngi and Ngi quoi dem. Wait les doigts SD. M'a lancé den tout. M'a lancé Ngi people tout. Because they shocked me yesterday. They shocked me yesterday. Even Mandian people, now shocked me yesterday. Yes. I confirm code yesterday. Ma lancé the one for give people the sumo. Then before we go to the show proper. They shocked me 2 years today. Give people now hook up. Now shock people yesterday. But give people now over dance forget. We over dance lost sense. We over dance lost sense. My fellow country people, my fellow Ambazonian brothers and sisters of the revolution. Una good say afternoon wherever una dey. Yes, I come today with a joyful heart. The joy no be na say we don't reach Buea. The joy na say Buea na real and we must reach a Buea. We don't see a couple of activities the way don't take place on social media, Wahala, all the other light. We don't see how we lost some brave soldiers during the week. We see propagandas and all the like. People talk this, people talk this one, talk go up, one talk go down. But I want to tell you, I say the revolution they're on track. No dog, no day way if we shaking this revolution. No one man no day. The revolution big past any other person. No one man no day way in where he thinks say the revolution if he stand, you want to defend them. So my fellow comrades, I want first of all appreciate the initiative where our interim government of the Federal Republic of Ambazonia it bring her up, because now one of the things in that way you see I've ever come to my show say clear the space. Yes, because if you not clear the space, you know give room for contribution. You know give you will not clear the space, they distract us them. They will always can be disturbed. But even though the space it never be clear totally, but we still keep on for clear the space. So I want to thank especially I feel even go safe, man, even because that one has some big topic that way we get for Fairholder today, the evaluation of the event yesterday. But man don't use the opportunity for thank all the stakeholders where they come on board yesterday for defend their title, especially the interim government and the cabinet, the county chairs, and the supporters the way they come in for that event yesterday. It will be very marvelous. And then it makes some people they go crazy. Not only we, not only the internal enemy, the external enemy they go crazy. But that one will still come. I want to tell fellow Ambazonians, say as una hear my voice today, I tell una, no doubt, no fear. We faith. Say we'll get a very short possible time for Riboya. I tell una we faith. Say we'll get a very short possible time for reach Boya. So me no man no shake. They confidence. Any player will stand strong. Any player will stand. Me, I will stand strong. Be proud. For that, tell your neighbor say, he will come visit you for your own pays. Where he go deal les Sarako. Yes. You go tell your neighbor. If you Sarah, tell you say he go come visit you for your own pays where he go deal the one. He go deal les Sarako. Because our leaders they don't prove to we. And they use them. The youth and the leader will don't prove to we say we ambassadors will be active, will be motivated. We want to see the independent and with the feel now the independent. That means we don't see them. We don't see us so when we see the promised land. We don't see the promised land so. We then have the rest way God to it, God the way now say me all we will enter as I will enter the Red Sea, as I will do on top of the Red Sea now, you go just block the enemy now. You go just block the enemy now. The enemy now will do all man will just cancel for that sea. Because that they walk on top of the Red Sea, the enemy they feel penetrate, but God will wait them. Well, don't succeed. As they enter, God will cover all things. So my fellow people, fellow ambassadors, now stand firm, focus. Me no man no shake. Be at alert. Any player they don't be at alert, ready for say as they train the start to kick. You don't jump enter inside. Boya. Bang, na day we reach. Boya. Here we come, oh. Boya. Here we come. Must start by the first agenda we will get for the day now the propaganda and what will happen for Bafut because we don't see them for the past years. They will the fight. This was independent struggle. We get very strategic camp the way we know say now our mother camp. No man will be another one for the revolution. Now our mother camp. Now our this. We get the free marcher for the BLN where it be ungovernable. La Republic never ever penetrate now. We get the Bafut, the same Qatar, where La Republique never see succeed until all they will die, they don't see succeed. We get the Blue Warriors, the Babaland, the Ngokitunja, the day they never succeed. Now we will get the Batibo camp, but due to internal problem between ADF and this, it try to destabilize or weaken that. But they sit down, they sit there at alert. They sit there stand firm. No man. So I want you know Indian people know I don't know you start this show. I said my people too Indian they shocked me yesterday. No, that will come that one. Will come will mention all man. I tell myself I start the program yesterday, I finish them. So any man will participate, and they will give any man a result for here. Result will come up for here. Me, my own county where I come on there. He carry last cocoa, so I never come for that one. I will go, no worry. Now we'll give result. So move first start this CRTV their propaganda stop them. CRTV we not see for the last week where they say they will invade Bafut. Some fake new people they call as say they be journalists. They don't go journalism school where they don't investigate. I don't tell you now. I don't tell this activist say me they even try for the follow me for every one bit because people they devil down me for not to get archives for Facebook. Even though sometimes they me for write until all verse we write for Basso you too where the media team where the media team no say be ambassador we na so we should tell you but if you get credible sources here at Prince Hans, then you get credible sources right for Ground Zero. This our own activities where they say they won't go journalism school for one of America the Guamo, we have outside the Guamo. They take their own information on Facebook. They say military kill 50. That's 50 amber boys for Bafut. That's what ADF. Then I say military kill 50 amber boys for Bafut. Military kill 50 amber boys for Bafut. They go sample na small this small gun they don't go take them. Military all read the whole Bafut, enter people that has them, take gun, move, enter under bed, move that powder, check out from them, move that powder, check out from them, go sample them. But some kata use them. I want to ask ambassador people, when I look that sample, that made the sample them, that's how to sample. I say, now, till that boy they use them, that was they use Kalashnikov, that was they use AK like them. When I watch that video where they set trap for them, they see that they come. That way they succeed. What they do? Make the get gaga. Then to the get gaga. Now so they wore that. Now they wore that way they were ambassador now so. So that propaganda when they go take I like my brothers now what I don't know what my brother say una man pikino ambassador first. When I see it make 2 samples for Facebook, we will harvest AK for military. Then military can harvest in this country stick them. That means we will take them now better one they can't take we country. Okay, even now I go fine. That means they can't take we country. We take the AK. When I tell the CRTV say their propaganda, we don't discover them. First time. They will the key civilians. Take AK. They work out the country gun, country stick. Carry them. Em on top civilian skin. Take picture. Say na amber fighter that. That sample will see CRTV move am. That sample will see CRTV. We never see no one AK. For that stick them. That means automatically some katana the most strongest cam with the country stick them. Then I want to tell they say how market for Bui. They talk about CRTV. Una here on Saturday. Una ask they say now how market for Bui. What you happen with Bui? They don't talk that one. They run advocate talk say they don't go for people that has go charge people that are party because they say for Northwest culture, mostly Northwest culture, this part they ever get that stick them. Then the country stick them for that say they use that for their cultural festivals. So it been a normal thing for all nearly all home inside Northwest. It must get country stick them. Yeah, it must get country stick the way. This part that they use them for their cultural festival. So now we go search. We now go. We now walk. We now go search part that has the carrot country stick them. Can sample and now we see how to. We not even shame. We not even shame. How much for Bui? How many of them sleep? How many Kelebe sleep? What they harvest no? They have a Kalashnikov for them. Take them for them. Say we not make bep. Una no fit. I tell La Republic una pack go. Una pack go. Una start play the ball. Una pack go. When we start to play that ball, una no run. Tell una run go draw una back. So no, una can't play the game. La Republic, we tell una say una pack una ball, una pack una thing, una don't go quiet. Because we will never start playing the game. Tell us start playing that game. Una one run, we draw. You say no, can't finish ya fufu. We declare La Republic them. So now what is that way? I tell this propaganda's TV, CRTV, because I'm the highest propaganda TV for the whole world now. We know them. CRTV. It live pass what people now on Facebook. CRTV live pass. Even La Republic them, they not trust that TV. Yes, because that's the highest TV that way. You do with edit. You know we bring better topic for CRTV. They must edit and me suit their own desire. Me suit some cabal. When not suit that cabal, you know if you go. So when I tell this one they call René Sadi say the plan no fail. Money no they get for them. Una can't they spend billions for solve the coronavirus. Una di do it for solve coronavirus. Una di do it La Republic for solve coronavirus. Money don't drive for coffers. We don't be pay civil servant again. We don't push. We don't make that to bleed. No way, no day. we will keep on pushing. Una feel say una use this small time coronavirus for suppress we. But forget we not say una suffer the war ever since 2016. We still remember una say una no time una start the war. Una notice say na one day una just capture the ambassador. Then me they be una slave. Then una go declare say una don't win war. And then even this their French president Macron, where he don't tell President Macron, where he tell La République, say me no negotiate we. So they think say La République will use the time of Corona for capture because they say La République they report them positive news. Say no, they come back the body, they come. So when they integrate, they succeed the camp. I want to tell you one thing, France never win no war. This France, so na see so. All you want, they don't fight lost at all. France, all you want, they don't fight for life. You never win one. So, me not advise La République because La République, he all war, the two also fight, never win one. La République also fight war, never win. Boko Haram no dey the worry brain. Now, Chad president that take guys and go push Boko Haram keep Boko Haram the back. But Cameroon a fight. Where Cameroon big part Chad far. It's a fight since. It never succeed. Boko Haram. Now Chad that duty. Chad that make a Boko Haram the back Chad that Beckham. But where Chad the cash one of we minister woman, we will the back then a Beckham. But now they not the back Chad. They don't win war. Cameroon don't win war. Now tell France any advice colony. Wrong advice because ye the master France. Me remember say for history never win no war. You don't get no war intelligence. You don't get no war tactics. Me don't forget about me don't concentrate for politics. Leave war. We didn't have a war. They will see my way we win. We will see my way we win. Mobilization the camp in. Clear the space. So my fellow comrade, we'll go to another issue of the day. When this our Okada boys for Bamenda and people they say Brazaris. Yes. We don't see a couple of videos that they come out for social media where La République they want use Okada picking now me they against our rules. I want first today I appreciate the ghost town way we announce them. Mami Water ghost town because La République they want disturb the ghost town. I want tell my people for Abakwa. I want to tell my people for Abakwa say what will be happen for Kumba between Okada and Restoration Forces. Una no make me happen for una. I know say they put una pressure, but they be put that same pressure for Kumba Okada guys them. But we be tell them say now we will hold the town, now we will get the country, now we decide what to do and what you not to do. So at the back una the Okada boys them. When they force you, me do am. No say as you come out for day, you come out for military man corner. You go muto na weti. You go muto na Amber. Amber now. Ma tell now. Military fi say again less strategy. I want to implement strategy. As I get the break, strategy to come. But we not tell the strategy for here. Because our thing they be classified. Our thing they be classified. We need to talk the strategy for here. But I want to warn my Okada people. Say, when I don't say they say anything concerning yellow. I want my brother and sister the way they write Okada. Anything concerning yellow. No use them all. I warn you that way. In the internet government gam. In the county head gam. Now the ambassador restoration forces for ground zero. They don't tell when say no one see anything concerning yellow. Yellow for the crime. So respect yourself. If you get a machine, if you your tongue na yellow, paint them blue, or you paint a different color. No go for trap. Because tell you now go for trap. Now we now be first. What's that called diaspora? We now maintain simple law. Simple law. I don't maintain simple law. Don't maintain a simple law because we don't want me to hurt una. Because we protect our civilians. We protect our civilians. We don't want me to hurt una. My brothers and sisters, we beg na beg. We protect una. Una respect the law. And then for these people, they say Brazzaville product. Brazzaville product, they only be banned for Ambazonian. And the Russian, why some people them, they still deal with this Brazzaville product. But it baffles me because you know say they already banned the product. When they say that black market, yes, agree. I don't say any place there, any place, any country, black market must there. Yes, any country, black market must there. I know say when you do black market, police will catch you, you'll pay fine. So automatically, I beg my boys them, where they catch those people that do Brazzaville, where they do Brazzaville. That one, when I know say, as the video where we see how it circulates, now black market, because the man took they do it smoothly, now black market. And why they do it black market now? Because they know say the ambassador on the land. They know say the country, the ambassador, and ambassador government don't pass law say make Brazzaville product not enter ambassador. So you when they catch them, you do ambassador product. No say if they decide way you do black market smuggling, you pay tax. Yes, and you go pay fine. You get to pay fine. That one na normal thing because I don't be over put them for myself say I don't feel over put on myself say you when you do Brazzaville product you be black leg no. I don't feel over put it that way. But I know say any country black market model. So if they do and so the way me I reason them, if they do a back, it means say they don't fear the government. They know say the government is law, it be implemented for the country. So I want any man when they deal with Brazzaville product, any man when they deal with Brazzaville product, no say when they catch you, no talk say if I be no, because if I be no, it ever come at last. If they catch you with Brazzaville product, no talk say if I be no, because if I be no, it ever come at last. Now warn you that. Now take note. We'll go to the next point. Okay, the next point, Watana youth. Yeah. Yes, my fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, I don't talk for some time for you. Say, if you can't share the one for the youth now, you concern the youth. You concern the youth now. If you can't share, me the youth they hear this one. See, I don't tell you now some time for you. Say, Watana youth program will be led by Prince Jeka. Tango the way we will raise from $5,000 now. What anybody watch now? I get show the way I don't talk am. For yes, a time of the way we will stand for one show. For it's like 2 hours, in every 2 hours, because with the first talk to you get highest now 40 minutes. 40 minutes. When we will raise $5,000. Okay, the beginning of clear the space. You don't start. We will raise money. Water youth. I want to tell all the youth them. No shit on behind. You criticize. No shit on behind. You ask result. No shit on behind. You observe. No shit on behind. You ask what did they do. Join the youth. You contribute your ideas. You share your ideas. Water youth and women them. Where they control the program. Any man enter. We will say youth in a discrimination. We will say youth. We will say youth. Even you, in how many years? But as far as you respect the norms of the youth, you get the youth ideology. You be agile. You know, say, we then are people for action. The youth are people for action. You be free for join. You be free for join the Watana youth. Because we come out very powerfully. What way our internet government they do what way our internet government do that one are just we look at and say just small. Yes, they're just small. But we come out very powerfully. The last show, now how much we contribute? 4,600 something euros. Dollars per show. 4,600 wetin one show. Now that one begin room for wetin, e give room for this draft. We don't clear the space. They see say space don't declare, the cloud don't declare. They come in now with the draft, the world draft project. Water na water youth, na youth for action. We not we not get some county. Water na water youth, we not get some county, we not get some wetty. We go and say we see action. When we now want action, I want to tell all ambassadors to watch me. If you want chop water na water youth, you back tire. If you want to invest your back all the money self, more see action. As I will make action with the following because we will be following our action. We need to follow our people the way they slow. We will follow our action. So I want to beg every member for here. Say you will belong to a youth, will be a youth, will belong to any forum. Sensitize your people about this water and water project. So that because thank God the way you want the beg will enter, they say bro never. They not need you again. Now time this. Would they modern? Would they modern? Oh, if you want to talk something that say with the best of person, would they modern? But me, I believe in that ideology. Say the country, now all my country, and all my people participate. Now something I don't believe. Yes, I don't want say they say the national cake. Now some particular people they get the national cake. Now all man, he gets the national cake. So when I join the water youth, I think in subsequent time they will announce El Clasico. Where we get one honorable mama and papa the way you will not watch the show, you know. You not watch the show. Where we get one honorable mama and papa the way they slap him. You hear they slap him, you worry. Last game, that's how he pass. Last game, that's how he pass. So that one don't go. The last one, because the show, go too long. The last one, okay. Amber World Draft evaluation. Okay. First of all, I want to use the opportunity for thank all my way you participate for that show. Even you contribute, but you watch the show till the end, you participate. Sorry for that disturbance. You witness till you reach the end. Because the program yesterday, it made me test the flow from my eyes yesterday. I say yes. So Ambazonian, true. We don't reach that boya. True, Ambazonian. We don't reach that boya. What did we say? Some people they come with the way they can make propaganda. Yes, move everything with the propaganda people them before we come with the show proper. Every time to use, I be sure they will call them because we don't talk say we don't call activists and name bet. We will counteract. We just counteract a bit because we don't waste time on them. They use ngwa. So name the offense where they ever come, where it ever disturb people ngwa. God so kind. God know the way they do people. God, this God who the worshippers so where God want confuse you. God make it user in name of Facebook enter for that forum. Every kind of even though the program they finish. Now it is in the right propaganda for Facebook now. It don't say that money na propaganda. It's a lie. They don't write it say they go see how they go use the money. Una, I want to ask say, what is concern una? Una get una own government. Una go mobilize una own money. We hear result for them. We never hear result for dark. We never hear result for pink. We never hear result for container force. We never hear result for na tough project. We never hear result. We no want result and now. We no want result. Well, nobody. We don't talk say LGA and LGA they didn't exist. According to una, but una shocked yesterday. LGSM, all the LGS on apart of Meme, where they get a meeting yesterday, apart of Meme, they get meeting yesterday. All the LGS they be represented for that forum. All and any man give it Any man give, I say you can't empty hand. No man no come without forum, LGA. No man no come empty hand. No. I want to tell numbers when I see them. I want to tell you small mathematics. When I calculate, when we talk about that money, some people say na propaganda. So when they say they want to see result, which result? You don't believe say people I did exist before want to see result. So now I did not organize. When I want to say when I start talking about result, which result want to say I never believe in the government? Which result? Go to your own forum, contribute your own money. You ask result. You want to ask result for who? Then I want to tell my brother where they be used to for call FBI. I want to say you don't plan to call another FBI. Say another money will come. Yes. As I will be used to because I don't just see the guy they marry, they don't manipulate it, they use it, me do that act. But I want beg people and say when I forgive you. Now leave it. You don't know where to it do. Because if they will come to it, let's say we ambassador not ever wicked. You not find for wicked our brother. In life, what he do for this revolution, we live and down. We will settle our problem. If your brother do what he as concern argue for the revolution, but we start go for external, forget. We not go for external. Because some people in the way they get where they get mission they take and enter here. But you know talk am. Then if you want to go disturb something, want to go surprise, you see some man eating about down, eating about konengi. You see the time regret. So I want to beg my people say people don't want to react for that China man where do that act. Now forget about it. God, he go apologize. God go arrest, he go apologize. Now, don't forget about that side. We follow on the bigger space. We follow on this bigger space. We need to follow individually. This Eritato man, he come with the show yesterday. He give you money and he make that show. Oh master, he can give you money. That time the one to say when I go to Parliament, very stupid. So he make himself very dull. Let me say, oh man, look, every me I shocked. Yesterday I shocked Eritato. I don't believe. Say that this boy if he do and so let me say, he make himself to be a fool. He make himself yesterday. I said, even me I cover my mouth. I said, chai. And I saw you don't go too far. I saw you don't go too far, Eddie. Eddie, you don't go too far. Hey! Mamma mia. Well, you don't do your own part. People they say come. Man, you people they man. Because of Eritato. That idiot. 500 euros. That idiot. 100 euros. That is no. I call 100 euros. Like why it cost money? 1,000 euros. 1,000 euros. 3,000 euros. This. They can show us in a propaganda. I want to tell now. I'm giving us some statistics because I want to do a last chapter we brought. I'm giving us some statistics. We'll get almost 61 LGAs. Una calculate. We'll get almost 61 LGAs. Each LGA it be equivalent to $1,000. But all the LGA no one even give $1,000. I want to tell you now, propaganda people them because I want to tell my people they on Facebook. I don't even care. Why they even talk as selfie? Why they even tell why the man don't talk? My people they be there. I talk for my viewers them. What will happen yesterday because when I get to know, ambassador I get to know, and the program is still go on. I think it will end in 2 weeks. It's a very short program. It will end I think in 2 weeks. I want to tell all my viewers them when they watch me say you will never contribute to that draft. You get for start now from now to 2 weeks. I want to tell you statistics. For gather statistics, how the money people they open up. We get almost 61 LGAs or $1,000. How much that? Now how much that? $61,000. We get the cabinet. And I'll tell you one the cabinet. All man $1,000. We got the defense. The country coordinators. Country coordinators now here. Country coordinators. They're plenty. Almost 50 something. I think that's 53. Any man be equivalent to $1,000. But no man, not the only $1,000. In a year, they will get the defense chair, the national defense. Only that cabinet.
the cabinet go round with the LGS. Now calculate the number. Now calculate the number. Just make small mathematics. Before Apple, one you talk say na fake, una make small mathematics. Then before una assess, then free will donation way. One man he talk say because of His Excellency, our Excellency, Samuel Ekome, he give $5,000. I want to tell even my pa Barrister John so. Oh my sir. See, now time to show you see people be you see how tears the camp, tears the run. We get young youth they come there way youth I mean even youth picking them 10 years picking. He say me papa 10 years picking. He say me papa give you $200 for support ambassador. 200. You know even well because if papa in the year if papa he told he keep people they will pay. Now which remedy will come to say. So Remeka to say he became 24 years old. And if you like became for day will pay, it will home machine. As a result of that, he was sham. After you see people, you see, we will get almost 7,000 views for Zoom. 7,000, 700. Almost 700 views. Because it has 680 something for Zoom meeting. They will get 1,000 views for ABC TV. That's what we operate. That's what we operate. We get 1,000 views for ABC TV. They will get 680 something views for Zoom meeting. Now they raise that money so and it is still go on. That money never end. Oh, that thing when I want hear the amount. You want hear the amount? That money never end. That money it never end. Till 2 weeks. We'll get a general figure because we want beat that record. I want to say me anybody here for me today. Anybody watch this show, me it go even at $10. Even at this, you contribute for that program. Then at the end of 2 weeks, we summarize. Then we shock them. People they make noise. I want to tell you now, fellow ambassadors. People they make noise. People they make noise. I want to ask you a question. Some birthday way, especially Southwest people, I don't know that birthday for Northern Zone. Now which birthday way they will make noise, they get house. Now don't say some birthday way they make the highest noise for daytime. But for night, you want to go sleep, they have to sleep. Where the other birthday way they fly bear. I call that bear in English or PG bear that because if you have to call bird, they start calling me FBI say at the cost of people say they be bird. But now I call that say bear. Now bear, we call it a bear. Yeah, now you know that bear way it fly where it make the highest noise for this time. Make the highest noise. The bear make the highest noise for daytime. But for night, it go sleep now under leaf for cocoa. Or it go sleep under leaf for tree. Get house to sleep. You know the bear where you talk. Any man don't do catapult, any man don't go do, you go know the higher bear for night. We go find me as I point touch. Your friend the point touch as I see under leaf for cocoa. You draw, you leave a tap, you don't come down tip. Bear where you make noise. Get house to stay. Now we tell me that bear. Why man see. Now we tell me that bear where you make noise. The bear they make noise the whole. Yeah, outside, and even grimy in front of the top for daytime, but for night, it is a fine place for go sleep. Now we tell me that people don't do catapult, people don't go do hunting for night. You don't get play for sleep. Now we tell me, my don't tell you now. Now clock bear. Any man know clock bear. Clock bear. Now the highest bear for daytime. It make the highest noise. Clock bear make the highest noise. When lamb was on place, the other bear they run. Because it make noise. But for night, they play for sleep. Now ever see clock bear be house? Clock bear need be house. Clock bear need be house. It make the highest noise. For daytime, it then under leaf. For night, it don't go sleep under leaf. Now I say, This noise maker, they not get. Anybody they make noise, you not get. People that they get, they are think they already talk with them. Yes. My get. You know, even whenever you talk, you don't really see the action. The action don't really talk for you. But that Club Bear, now this example that I want to Club Bear need the BS, it make the highest noise. Now so this noise maker for Facebook, they need give 5 francs for the contribution. The highest noise maker they need pay for this contribution. And I want to tell you one thing again. All the people that give money for that contribution yesterday, now people that they pay to learn, they pay my Tito Boya. People that give money yesterday, now that same people, they give my Tito Boya. So my rights was tell me I'll be very happy. He said, they ask my Tito Boya, I don't know Boya. I say yes, people see I'm people get talk to them more. People get talk to them more. He say they ask my trip to man to say, okay, now give me my trip to Boya. I will tell you that never reach Boya. Now they ask the money. When I ask money, I tell you now reach Boya. So I leave this propaganda people them. We get plenty to talk for that show yesterday. I want to use the opportunity that was that thank the various county chairs. And any way it be no be there. Where are the I know the day Meme County first it fall last. I want to thank our chair, our president. E comme ça quoi thank Fako County General. Say okay. We know we dey for back. We know say Fako first. Fako na time where he get mixture of people. You know easier for Fako na time where get mixture of people, plenty. But he get the highest population. But that population not be Fako picking them. And time where they talk county by county. Any man now will go to support the county. Any man go to support the county. Now why that way I be very impressed for where to have Fako County it do yesterday. Because it's not easy. Now the capital. And the example where Fako County show we yesterday. He show we say, no go there on the way, it expect for the other country for the worker feed. Because Yaoundé, in the way that say me the other country they work, they feed. But Fako County tell you yesterday, they say, he too they contribute, and our president contribute for that. Contribute. But Johnson they contribute. All them. No man no shit on. What did they have to make away? So call our fellow part, they call that my name. Where they be data where they launch that program for ABC TV. Pa Batoke, yes. Pa Batoke. Every call, they talk how normally people they control like a government, they don't get right to contribute because they already do a work where that work not permit them for do another work, and so they don't get right to contribute. Yes, I be by that ideology. Because take for example, chief, any village contribution, Chinda and chief, they need to contribute. Now why chief need to contribute now? Because chief he work with different work. He no need for contribute because any will serve the people. Any will for protect the people. So he no need for work. Then as well as Lewood said, now few church and they will pass on the end for offering. Not be na Christian they fit pass of a church. Now Christian they fit pass of a church. Why Christian they ever for month end they contribute money they go give pastor. Why you want to say be pastor pay money contribution like the other Christian in the church? Now because you know say pastor they deliver work. Yeah, the pastor they deliver the work of God for them. As he get the time to spend them for read the Bible, can't interpret for una, share the word of God una. Now so our leaders them they get the time for coordinate and control una as well as they don't get right for contribute back. While leader they shocked me yesterday. They tell you no, move leave that agenda. all they contribute. Agree match. Yes. Because some people will come make propaganda if they don't contribute, no will be no but they say tell we say no, we didn't have a revolution. We don't have a revolution. We will contribute the money, and the leader they contribute the money, and they start for them. They start from the top to bottom. That's what they start yesterday. They start from the top to bottom. But you're on the one, I say, you're on the one take of the poor. But them they start. So my fellow comrade, I want to thank the Fako County very well for their commitment. And then the first LGL Atangi. Atangi people, because we get LGL away where for our hearts. People they think say the LGL them they shake, but they shocked me yesterday. Again, Kupe Manungwa one touch. He came yesterday very powerfully. I don't expect. Again, Ndian. He came yesterday very powerfully. Ndian where all man, because they say Ndian exists. But they come yesterday very powerfully. Come to the way they come yesterday where yesterday they think say where we even think say na meme no show up. Because even though they began their meeting, but and I still blame they say they will send representative. Then they send information say they began meeting. Then Mezam County. I think I will take first here. Because after Ngi LGA get almost $16,000. More than Ngi LGA. Get almost $16,000. So I just expect how this revolution, how our people, the Indian people, I want to use the opportunity for back all the Indian people say, we not join una LGA, we not join una county, the Indian and Kupe Manunguba. The Indian and Kupe Manunguba. Kupe Manunguba, we not see where it happen. We not see where it happen. Where they kill our brothers then. We not imagine say, if we not be get our boys away, they where am. They will push La Republique them. La Republique one kind of fear. This war, not be war for one man, not be war for two people. Now collective war. So I want back Kupe Manungwa. One touch. When I use that name one touch means 80. As I get back, you don't remove our game. You don't need two touch. Kupe Manungwa one touch. I want beg when I say una cheer my yesterday cry say una join them. I not say una be proud people, una be people of all dignity. Una join the Kupe Manungwa. You ain't not know. Una brother Clovis. The Clovis. You contact he. Where be there with ABC TV the other time. Contact he will give you all the details. How I will join your Kupe Manungwa one touch. Then I want to go to the biggest county. The Manu County where people they feel division day. Yeah. Even Bamenda where people they feel division day. But una shocked. When I go from small group the way, when I do 5 WhatsApp, what I make noise. When I form 5, when I don't have 5 WhatsApp, then when I make propaganda Facebook, when I can't make noise. Who's that day? When I show face, man, people. Yeah, people go school, man, people. I give una 21 guns a lot. When I cafe they up, no shaking. When I prove to them say, when I be people of dignity. We now prove to them say that small kabai. I thank our brother Wali where he came yesterday. He talk for Manu because he talk. Tell all Manu people say we not forget this issue is not about doctors our president Sako. It's not about Seseko. This problem is about Ambazonian. We not keep differences, Manu people. We not keep differences for aside. We not keep differences for aside. Join the war. We'll fight the war. Then, when the war end, when one get a kabai now, it will be easy for get a kabai because when I live for a political group now. Yes, I don't say that's another bit so that's small political group that because I don't say I have a choice. You don't get one Trump political group for Ambazonia. We know that one. That one Trump political group that when I start from our own bed, when I leave that one the aside, move face the war, move fight the war, my Manu people. The war start for Manu. The war start for Manu. We are not destroy the war. We are brother don't beg. Yesterday, he said we are day one. A part of the small distract of the way, the difficult they feel confused the Manu people. And then I want beg our fighter, say, any man now, and fighter they be there for that meeting, above, the fighter they will be there for that meeting, when I hear the amount of money, you know, it been amount of money, they call up for air, when I hear the amount of money, and that money they will execute for una. Una will see the money, una will see the action for them. Una will see the action for them. So, I want beg my people, Manu, una join hand, mo end the show. Manu people, una join hand, mo end the show. Una join hand, mo end the show. The mama take the last cocoa yesterday na meme can't take last. I will come out. He take last cocoa yesterday. Yeah, but they give excuse. But that excuse, you know, I don't think that one is something for me. But he take last cocoa yesterday. So now for they will end the show now. Any man if you are called now, you call now. The call if you call now contribution with the program where it take place yesterday. Either you talk about the program where it take place today, or you talk about water, how if you join water, how if you encourage water, or if you encourage the program where it passes today, the World Drive program. That one are very much. Why we are the wait? Una call Mercy. Any man you want call if you call now. I think the number there for screen. Maurice Boyano. People make bep say no money contribute money, no money contribute. They shock this. That money will reach my tutu boya. My tutu boya too don't come. That one go pass. It go pass now. We'll see what we will do. People you know want contribute money say don't chop money for my tutu boya. Don't chop money for my tutu boya. This one you can't come outside. You if I say don't chop money for my tutu boya, no ever contribute 5 francs for my tutu boya. Can't make noise. You can't make noise. Say don't chop my tutu boya. People they contribute my tutu boya. They need they contribute back. They contribute back. So if so me the war end because they chop my tutu boya. So when they come begin make noise, they say, where is my tutu boya? How much you contribute? Go to your county. If you want to know my tutu boya, they want to say go to your LGAs, go ask them. They will show you all proof. Oh, una call FBI them. Una call FBI. Una call FBI them. See, ambassador na so two ways around we na contribution. You want to also now I want to tell my people there's something. Now for the revolution, na contribution. You want to also na contribution 10 euro again. You want to also na contribution 100 euro again. Because LGA by LGAs, it did. LGA by LGAs, it did. My call if you call the number where they will screen, you call on the number where they will screen. The number where they will screen if you call, you not see the number now. Number where they will screen at 6. The Cameroon number. You put Cameroon code. You put 678067367 678037367. I number that I think say I put that number for screen and I pin them. I don't think so. I think so. I think so. Because see. Yeah, that the amount that any man want know the amount will contribute them. Now the amount that will screen they don't put them. They on Facebook, we not even if overtalk them. So see you want call you call 6 Cameroon number 678067367. And number that see +2 3 7 6 7 8 0 6 7 3 6 7. No matter for screen, so
Because the phone line you use you call that one, you know, go. If you call my Belgian number, now this one go, you go ring. So call another one. Yeah. So Manu people, now wake up. Manu people, now wake up. Una welcome to end the show. Una bro, will he talk today? He beg, he cry, he say, una don't come back. Una don't come back. Special to Manu people. Special. Una go there. Our sister with UK. He slap him. Manu people, $500. Manu, $1,000. Manu did this. Manu make a show yesterday. Be like a great show. Special thanks to Manu people. Special any marriage they for Manu people where is it they for back for Manu. Where is it they for back? Una tell them say they lost. Right? No matter for but any marriage is it they for Manu think say they show if you say we don't go for a small group now contribute how much. Una join the county because we already put the county structure don't end. Manu no get 2 county. Manu na county 1. We no get Manu county 2. Una from Manu county 2 for side. Una from the other acquire na LGA. Una from another acquire again. Acquire 2. Una check una sense. Una put a different name there. I tell una Manu people. So that's why they feel be activists. They will use their propaganda. Clock bell. Clock bell they make noise. You know get how to sleep. Noise. You know get how to sleep. Yeah, every parrot. So man say parrot. Pambet. No, pambet. Pambet the beers no. Pambet the beers. Now parrot, clock bell. No say I don't even call clock bell because clock bell it be parrot because it be very difficult for our middle to see parrot. Parrot in a very right. Inside wow, baby stick them. I don't know my bird the way it fly. It fly mini for quarter mini clock bell. Now watch a clock bell you don't make no now you reach. It don't go now under leaf. It barely sleep. For daytime, you know when I say me daybreak. As I daybreak to pop, now you be first man, sharp. It doesn't make no better quick, no get people, you know be bias. So my fellow comrade, I was so happy. I be very happy yesterday for the program. As I sleep for 2 a.m. As I sleep for 2 a.m. That's 1 a.m. Amber time. So I want to thank my fellow comrades. I want to thank my ambassador people say we did on track. The show yesterday, it make we say it did on track. And I want to tell you again, say that show yesterday, it not only discourage our internal enemy, our external enemy, La Republic, they shock. I be telling you sometimes on show, they say the way La Republic will fear we. Now when they will see we mobilize and one as one people. And the only way they will see we as one people. Now when we come, we mobilize fund because most of the Republic they be there for that forum yesterday. Yes, most of the grass bird in the beers no grass bird in the beers so for grass we didn't see that not not the way they build up grass. Grass bird in the even though they used to fly plenty so they used to be away they plenty they sleep to one house so. Yes, look at very well. Check them. Grass bird, the beers. I mean clock bird. Check look clock bird very well. In the beers, he sleep on that leaf. But clock, no even grass bird he make noise. Yes, grass bird he make noise. Grass bird he make noise. Grass belly make noise, but clock belly make noise. We talk people they can't make noise, they don't get substance. People they get substance. So my mission yesterday. Oh, that what me say don't oh. You don't get nothing. Wait till you get him. He slap him. Whoop! $3,000. Hey. So you know back now who can yesterday, master? There be plenty here who we talk who live who. They say president, they want to see only our face. Me our president don't show only his face. Before they announce what they say, the person say, me president show his face. Was you as president show his face, zoom, the slapper zap 5,000 dirty for rice. So people they just say this. So how they tell this? Yeah, clock bird. Yeah, so My fellow Ambazonian, fellow comrades, I want to thank you very much for watching. I want to tell you say, you know say we get National Defense Council, we get LGA's contribution, we get World Draft contribution, we get Wata na Wata. I want to tell you say, na so we don't find ourselves. Na so it don't be. Me no man talk say over contribution. Na so he gave for be, and na so it don't really be. So you want go? Let me say you as Ambazonian, you work of your skin so you want to also na contribution. You want go this side. Now you don't know Njang, you don't listen to Njange way. Let me say you don't enter Njange all side. You want go so na contribution. You want go so na contribution. You want go this side na contribution. All around your skin. Let me say you work you go in front, they see contribution go back. As I do with your chest contribution. You want go by the side na contribution. Now so we give a B. Now so we give a B. We give a B. Yes. Now so we give a B. And now so you don't be. And now so you operate. So me move forget about distraction now. Now forget about Facebook. Facebook, what you Facebook you talk not the reality because we don't discover say people they use fake profile. Fake so man you want if you get like 100 Facebook. You can make noise the whole Facebook will be sabotage. They say they need so when they say they need result. You know they will IG. They say you want result. Na lalai money the contributor. But you want result. That one my brother will come next time. We'll get subsequent event where they happen for them. I want to thank my boy warrior them for which way they do. My brother Restoration Forces of Bafut and all over the territory of Ambazonia say we stay focused. I want to thank my great free marshal for your presentation. I even forget today the great free marshal. The great free marshal be there for call today. The great free marshal. So when they say in Nigeria, so why you say in Nigeria, they say they don't get talk. The one day they say they don't dethrone me. So one day they say they don't dethrone free marshal. The one day they say in Nigeria, the great free marshal be there today. He talk in the behalf of all fighters. He talk in the behalf and he advise the fighter. He say he go fight the war till he die. He go fight the war till he die. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. God bless all my viewers.